Day 2 of electrical work. I must admit this has been fun, very challenging, and anything is possible. Anything is possible, and be prepared to get hurt. So there's the other set of lines going in now. That's gonna sit like that. Put the front door and the outside lights in. We've done the prep work for the one plug socket here in the study. There the other sockets, plug sockets. There's another plug socket for the study. DB, we must still cut the DB, get that in. That's all done, and the last of the chopping. Here's for the high level oven and the gas and the isolator. That's all going in, and here's the under counter plugs going in. That's all polished and sealed up. That's all polished, and the last of the switches going in, and all the chop work's done, thank goodness. So yeah, day and a half, and the chop work, chase work, that's all done. And then tomorrow we can start tackling the plumbing, which is just basically confined to the bathroom and the sink here. Chopping that's nothing, and then chasing the floor. But yeah, this is all polished up. It's all polished up, ready for plaster. And here's the back-to-backs, they're in as well. Right, here's our trusses have been delivered. Thank you very much, Coastal Trusses, Robbie and the guys and the team. Thank you very much. Robbie was very accommodating at Coastal Trusses. Sat down with the original plan and drawing and spat out a quote nice and efficiently, which was fantastic. Gave us a ballpark figure on how to work our sums out. And this is all our structural timber that's now coming in. Our half trusses, wall plates, purlines, all our structural timbers coming in. So thank you very much, Coastal Trusses.